Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to reset Lennox air conditioner AC power cycle and button reset tutorial. Method 1. Reset Lennox air conditioner by power cycling. First turn off your Lennox air conditioner using the thermostat. Then set the thermostat to off mode and locate the AC circuit breaker in your home's electrical panel. Switch the breaker to off and wait for 5 minutes. Now turn the breaker back on and set the thermostat to cool mode. Now lower the temperature and check if the AC starts working normally. Method 2. Reset using the AC reset button. Turn off power to the air conditioner at the breaker. Now find the reset button on the outdoor unit, usually a small red button. Now press and hold the reset button for about 3 to 5 seconds and restore power to the unit. Turn the thermostat back on and test the air conditioner. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.